Oh! What's happened there?
Gone straight over middle. Jeez, now that is talking. That ball is near impossible to play. Oh, beautiful. Wide of the crease. Class.
Well ball. Is that in the pad? Yeah, it hit his leg.
There's still plenty of movement there from M Asif.
Another good stride from Alistair Cook. Jag back.
Yes, that is wonderful seam bowling. One in, one out. And another. Just an iota wider, that one. Good swinger from M Asif. Many other grounds we wouldn't be playing at all now. That will do nicely. What a class bit of bowling from M Asif. It's been a beautiful spell. So do England.
Well, for once he's got out to a right armour instead of a left armour. He just got a little tiny inside edge there. He was trying his best.
Going past leg stump, I think. Oh, well bowled. Great riposte by the bowler, M Asif.
Always it's good areas. It'll always make it difficult for a batsman to come to the crease. Hold.
Oh, that's close. That is close. Wow.
Beauty. What a lovely bit of bowling that is. Deserves to get a wicket.
It's clever bowling from Asif because he goes from slightly wider of the crease and draws Trott into the shot. Ball out.
Flew down the leg side. Well, I'm not sure there isn't a bit of inside edge there. Oh!
What's happened there?
Gone straight over middle stump. Not middle stump, but I've just said that Batty's got a bit more straightforward. But Asif is a craftsman. He's almost a spinner in a seamer's clothes. Wonderful use of his wrists and body action to get the ball to talk. That's a very good shout for LBW, very good. And it's...
That's a good delivery. That's come back quite a bit and given out LBW. Morgan's fantastic.
Front pad first. Nah, I think that's too close. It's gone.
Oh, that could be out. That could be out. E-roll,
It's a lovely spell of bowling, this, because he's getting close to the stumps.
Oh, that's out. That is out. Oh, no shot at all. What a morning, Pakistan. Asif's on a hat-trick. And England have lost wicket after wicket. They've hardly scored a run this morning. This is hat-trick ball. Oh, it didn't carry. How unlucky. Well bowled, young.
Way, that is very close to LBW. Catch that. Oh no, you're kidding. You're kidding.
Oh, beautifully bowled. M Asif just able to make the ball talk almost in these conditions, getting it to swing one way and then nip the other.
It didn't carry.
Oh, careful. The bowler drew you wide at that. Got away with the streaky foot.
Double the score. Oh my goodness me, it's a no ball. A no ball, and surely LBW.
Pakistan here. You see it suddenly. The ball is starting to move. There's another wide. It's not going to be the wides though. It's going to be the wickets. And that's what they're after, Pakistan. They've got the slip in. A wee bit of movement there for Wasim Akrem. See, he's quite keyed up.
Yeah, here's the reverse. Just when you thought it was going to shake away as the wide did, it started to dart back in towards the stumps. Harris did well to get off the mark. Wow. That boomeranged him. This is where they are devastating. Jacob Oram has just got to get forward, get outside the line of the off stump, take the stumps out of it, get in front of them, get forward. It's big enough to ride any height. And if you're going to leave the ball, make sure it hits the body and not anything wooden first. Paint it green. 21 off 40. There's tension in the air here, folks. Oram. Play. Beautiful bowling there to the leg cutter away from the left-handed Oram. Pace. When he loses his line, Wasim Akrem, he relies on that in-swinger to get himself back into rhythm. Now he's confident that he can bowl the leg cutter.
A bit of a string here, Wasim Akrem. The second one, I think this is slightly closer in, this one. Very quick arm action. Oram just a wee bit uncertain outside his off stump and the position of it. Hasn't been in long. Probably wasn't expecting to bat. What are the odds on here on a ball just angling again back into the left-hander's off stump here. Slip's been taken out. Mid-wicket. Oh, there it was, and that must have threatened the leg stump. Very lucky to still be there. Good take by Mohan Khan. 265 for 6.
Tense one on the middle. It's a wicket. Just carving Oram in half there. Mohan did well. Bouncing over middle stump. Pakistan, they'll need one more wicket. Feels beautiful swing. Luring Harris towards the ball. Just touching aside, perhaps a little bit of cramp. Seam up. Beautiful delivery there. You can see just the last few overs, even with Wacker's last few overs, that when this ball gets old, it's Pakistanis just almost unplayable. Oh, nearly played on. That one was coming back. There's no sign as to which way it's going to go. It just happens in the air.
This is pretty thrilling stuff, actually. Look at the seam on this too. Bowled upright. Just very skillful bowling. You don't see any better than this towards the end of a one-day innings with an old ball. He began his test career on this ground. He really is testing the New Zealanders. And certainly I think the New Zealand batsmen can afford to just try and play this over out. They have plenty of overs left to get these runs. Seems if he's grabbed his side there a little bit in the second delivery. Oh, this one angles back in as well. Thickish inside middle from Harris, gets it away. Oram's had a bit of trouble in the last few deliveries, both from Akrem and also Shoaib. Let's see if he can get across to off stump. He's started to just drift outside the line a wee bit and play the curtain rail towards the ball. See if he can get in line here.
Right, Miss Harris. Or somehow gives out a Yorker of the highest quality. wickets here, 1985-86. So one more delivery. See it out. Important delivery this. He does just. 46 overs gone. Akrem is out of the attack now. It's 270 for 6. Well, he's disappointed. But let's have a look at this last over. Look, just away from Harris, draws him for the walking shot, then almost threatens the stumps. Straighter one there. It's the inside edge. Nearly gets through Jacob Oram. And draws the outside edge from Harris. Lovely bowling. Very good last over and last spell for Wasim Akrem at Carisbrook.
On this pitch, M.Aamir expects some swing and some speed early. So here we go, folks. First ball, M.Aamir. Oh, that's worth the shot. That's got to be really close. Oh my dearie. Oh, they can't believe that's out. Why? Well, I thought that is just plumb. Did he hit it? Let's have a look. This looked absolutely dead. Did he hit it? Oh, it's hit him right on the toe. The only question mark is did he hit him just outside the line? Oh, there's another shout. Did he hit that? He has it. Oh, that's the start that Pakistanis wanted. Wow, that's all happening here, BVS.
A big wicket for Pakistan. Rohit Sharma, the man in form. Well, what a start that
M.Aamir getting it straight. Oh, it's come back and split his front pad and back pad and fast and straight with swing accuracy. Oh yes. Let's have a look at here. Pitch is on. Oh, you just have to give that. That's out anywhere, even in my own backyard. Oh, that's worth the shout too. That's worth the shout too. That's another one. Oh, the green team. Pakistan, 2 big wickets.
orthodox batsman, plays the fast bowlers really well, but he has this issue. Straight away into the innings, he gets his head over the ball, falling over. Seen him get out quite a few times in that fashion. Let's have a look at that again. Impact now was well within the stumps. Impact.
Yeah, that's out. Good decision. Big decision. Up bleeding and bang, the finger goes up. M.Aamir. Oh, beauty. Oh, the crowd now. They're on the edge of their seats here. What an over. What a start for Pakistan. It's 2 for 2. Good running, good backing up. In the air. Oh, there's number 3. Oh, there's number 3. Pakistan are back in this game.
It's all happening here. Leading edge. And an easy catch for Wahab Riaz. And wicket number 3 for India.
Outside edge, oh no, where's that second slip? Beautifully bowled again, on a wonderful line of length, terrific over, it's 20 for 3.
So Aamir will bowl the 4th after all. It's a big call from the captain to bowl out M.Aamir early on. Round the wicket.